Just want to make a quick little video to show how we like to recommend people to install their tamper evident labels. So the first thing would be to just cut them out into individual pieces like this one. And because the adhesive on the back of these can come off on your fingers, that's what makes the labels tamper evident. The best thing to do is just fold back a little bit to expose the top of that code. And then what you can do is just line that code up onto the top of the vial, get it started. So that's stuck on there. And then peel back the paper a little bit. I like to grab onto this other tab end right here and then just pull that back. The adhesive or the lining paper will get out of the way. And then you can just stick that on, lose the rest of the paper, and then just go ahead and press everything down. And this way you're going to get a nice adhesive of the sticker on the vial and none of the adhesive label on your fingers.